Okay, so I really think that we've got to, what do you think?
Well, there's more people here than I thought there was going to be.
I know, but what do you think we should do? How can we hide it?
Guys,
What?
they're listening.
No, they're not. They can't hear us, surely.
It's going to be harder than we thought.
You really think these idiots could do anything to us?
I think you're underestimating. I've done a bit of background check on them, and I think we've got our work cut out for us.
You sure? We've got like 10 years of law experience. What do they have?
Oh, I think we should just not underestimate them, but play our normal game.
Okay, so, but who is Lord Fanwell? Anyway, I've
he's been in
never
our books
heard
for
of it.
ages.
Yeah, but I haven't even heard of him.
I think he's worth a lot more than you think he is.
But you were the one that was supposed to investigate. You were the one that was supposed to investigate to find out how many people were supposed to be coming today. Not all these jokers turning up today.
I've done my investigations, and these people are here for their inheritance.
No.
It's going to be hard.
No, there wasn't supposed to be that many people.
Now hold on a minute, matey. We're not just nobody. I am one of the ones that have been tracking all over the world with Lord Fan.
Where's your proof?
I bet you I can tell you half the things that are in that box there because I've carried it in my backpack all around the world on every adventure we've gone on.
No, that's not enough. No.
Shall we
Not
try?
enough.
That's not what
That's
my
not enough proof.
investigations have proven.
Let's try it.
You really think you can name anything in this box?
Absolutely.
I'd like to see you try.
Absolutely I can.
Let's do this.
Okay. In that box there, that you
No,
should
no,
you
no,
should find
no,
a
it's not
feather
in
that
there.
came from the chief Indian in Dakota. That will be in there. And there'll also be a meg tooth. There will
Never.
be, because I was in Florida when we
never
went down
seen
to
it.
the river and we got the tooth. That came from
It's
Florida.
not in there.
Okay, you'll also find, and I know for a fact that it's in there, there is a dog collar. The dog collar is in there, and there's a Buddha
This
ring.
rat collar?
Because his ashes are in the Buddha ring.
This rat collar?
Didn't they
That's the exact one.
I can't believe all the things that could be in the box. You've got the dog's collar in there.
Well, where else would it be? That poodle's been with us for so many trips. He was the one that sniffed out the Meg's tooth in Florida, in the river.
Stupid dog. He used to sniff out everything.
Stupid dog. I spent hours and upon hours training that dog.
And your fees were excessive.
He was the best trained dog in the world. He could
Still
run
pooped in the house, in the office.
The best.
No dog
everywhere.
is perfect. No dog is perfect.
The ring? You have the ring, it's in that box.
Yeah.
I'm his great-granddaughter, he promised he'd give it to me.
You really want a ring full of a dog's ashes? You weirdo. Here, have it.
Wait, the dog's ashes are in here?
Yeah.
I don't want that anymore.
I am so glad she didn't want it because I flogged that ages ago.
She'll never know.
I know.
What about my gold bar? I know it's in there. I earned that.
This gold thing?
No, that's mine. It was great-grandpa Fanwell's wife's. My great-grandmother, she was a ballerina. I'm the only ballerina in this family. It's mine. Back to my point, that's not mine. I want my gold bar. I earned that.
This
I
little
worked
thing?
hard for that. Yes, I worked hard for that. I had to go into the office and pick up his dog's poop, and that dog pooped a lot.
Okay, you can have it if it's even real. I mean, here.
For crying out loud, I'm sick of waiting. Please just give me the crummy little compass. That's all I want. Please, please. Yes.
Why are you so excited about that little compass? It's broken anyway. It doesn't even work.
Well, I've heard that this is Lord Fanwell's compass that leads to a secret treasure.
Treasure.
Yes.
Ooh, well, you'll need someone to help look for it. I can dig really well with a shovel. I can train dogs to sniff it out.
Really?
I'll do anything.
Wait, why do you get that? I'm a dancer as well.
No, I'm not. You do jazz once a week. I do ballet 6 days a week.
Like there's a difference?
There's a huge difference.
Well, fine, you can have that if I get something else.
Okay, what do you want?
The convertible.
Sure.
So you get that and I get the 1964 red convertible with white leather seats? Sounds good to me.
We need to start wrapping this up soon.
No. I graduated a year ago. You guys graduated. You didn't even graduate. And this is a crap family law firm. I'm going to go and
How
start my
dare
own.
you? How dare you call us this crap?
We're
No.
on the way of being disbarred.
Oh, look, they don't have to know any about
No,
that just because
no,
I don't have a
no.
license.
I'm going to take charge of this now.
No.
No. You guys don't know
You
how.
are the little girl. You stay in your lane.
I will.
No.
Hang on a minute. Do you mean to tell us that we've all been here and listening to all of this, and you pair are not even lawyers? You're the only one that's a lawyer?
No.
No. Why on earth are all of these people here waiting to get their things from someone that they admired and loved, and you two are sitting here whispering
Well,
about
that's
things that you saw?
questionable.
Where's my Meg? The tooth that was supposed to be in their hand. I think I need to call my friend. She's a detective, and I think I need to
you
get
don't
her
have to
in
do
here
that.
straight
You don't
away.
have to do
What? Which
that.
two? What are you talking
The
about
Meg
again?
tooth that I know was in where we
You
got
mean
at Florida.
This one.
That old
It's
thing?
funny how that's just
I
turned
thought it
up.
was a paperweight.
Kid, mate, if I can offer you some advice,
I thought this was a
distance
paperweight.
yourself from this if you want to survive
No,
in
we're a
this
team.
world in the lawyerhood. You should
We're a
sort this
team,
properly,
aren't we?
but I really think my detective friend Grace should show
No,
up.
no, honestly.
I'll
Here,
take
you can
that too.
take
I'll
that.
take that too.
Take that.
Thank you very much.
Everything's fine.
Thank you.
Everything's fine.
No.
Grace.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll make up for it. Don't listen to them.
No. Oh,
No.
okay. Oh,
No.
hey.
What about me? If she's getting all of that and I just get this crummy ring that has dog ashes in it, I don't even want it.
I can give you another ring.
No! Ow!
Stop.
Oh!
What about this one?
Oh!
Yeah, but I want a bracelet too.
A bracelet.
Yeah.
No, you're not getting a bracelet.
Give this to
No.
Come on.
Oh. Which one?
Just anyone.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh. Here. What about this one?
Much better.
Hang on. This is fake. I want something too.
No, I'm sorry. I can't give it to everyone. All I've got is this hairpiece, and she's got gold jewelry, and she's got a convertible
I
Mustang.
don't even have the keys yet.
Well, I have them here. This is so unfair. I'm sorry, but I can't compensate for what they've done.
I was promised real gold.
I'm sorry, but I can't give it to you.
Who can compensate for that? He said I was his favorite. I deserve more than this.
I'm sure
You're
you
the
were.
favorite. I have the keys.
He said I was the favorite because I reminded him of our great grandma.
And all you had
I
is that.
obviously was the favorite because I actually got what I wanted. I just didn't want it.
This is fake. I deserve more.
Why are you guys
promised me.
complaining?
Oh my goodness, will you guys just shut up? I mean, look at yourselves. You guys are fighting over like real gold. You guys have Ferraris and real gold. And what do I have? I have nothing. If I can't have like the dog collar, can I at least have the ring with his flipping ashes in it?
Well, I've got the dog's collar and the ring full of his ashes. You can have this on one condition, that you take him, my mum's dog, and you train him.
Sammy?
Yes, because I'm not having anything to do
No,
with
you
him anymore.
can't have Sammy. You can't
Yes,
take Sammy.
here.
He's my baby.
Take it.
You can't
Already
take
decided.
No, you can't take Sammy. No.
Yes. I've always hated that dog.
We can't hate the dog.
Yes, I can.
No.
Well. If it isn't this shonky crime family masquerading as a reputable law firm once again. Thanks for the tip-off, Charlie.
Thanks, Grace. Good to see you. Don't forget you still owe me from last time too there, buddy.
I told you, you get it.
Yeah,
Got
yeah.
another shipment
Just-
coming in on Tuesday.
Radio. On you. Gotcha.
I've been trailing you and your family for years, and a string of fraud charges laying in your way.
No, never.
Fake
You're
lawyers.
not. You're my husband.
idea.
No, it was your
Fake
idea.
marriage certificate.
Detective,
hey,
I was
if
born
you
into
get
this.
convicted-
No, I was born into this.
If they
I
get
can't.
convicted, do I get more money?
No.
A bigger cut, like life?
Grace, Detective
More
Grace,
commission.
this is $1 million dollar.
No,
If I give you that, will that help?
Detective.
Fraud,
Detective.
Bribe is life. You're going to go for life for
Grace,
bribe.
Detective.
Convict
I was
them,
born
not
into this.
me.
I can't
Not
help.
me. Convict them. Here.
It was
I
all
say
her
big
fault.
guy.
She made us
Take
do
it
this.
away.
All over every fraud case.
No, I've lost everything. I've lost my jewelry. I've lost my dog. I've lost my
husband
family.
now.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I didn't like you anyway.
Actually, Grace, there's something I have to tell you. I'm actually a detective undercover, and we've been on a sting investigation trying to get our detectives that are not following the rules and regulations in our department, and you have been arrested for bribing officers and undertaking cuts for crimes within the community. You're continuously taking bribes, won't work anymore. You're done, mate. You're done. You gotta go.